Hi and welcome to Yoga and You. This is Harini and today we are going to be seeing 5 poses that will help you relieve wind. Digestion issues are very common with us, and these 5 poses will help you ease any kind of discomfort in your belly and release wind. The first posture that we are going to be seeing is Pawanmuktasana. Spread your mat out and lie down on your back. Place your hands on your knee, and as you inhale, push your stomach out. As you exhale, pull the knees close to your chest. As close as you can. You should feel the lower belly compress a little bit when you do this. Inhale, stomach out, push your knee out. Exhale, stomach in, pull your knee in. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One last time. Inhale, exhale. Push your knee in as much as you can and release. The next posture is Jathara Parvritti. Bend both your knees. Spread your arms out at shoulder level. Inhale and exhale. Bring both legs to the right side. Twist and look to the left. Inhale, lift your knees up. Exhale, drop your knees to the other side. Inhale, up. Exhale, right side. Inhale. Exhale, last time on the left. Inhale, up. And this time stretch only your right leg out. Place your left hand on your right knee. Your right foot can be on your thigh. Exhale, twist. Bring your right knee down as much as you can and look to the right. Breathe here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and up. Stretch your right leg out. Bend your left knee. Place it on your thigh, right thigh. Exhale, twist and bend. Look to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and come up. Exhale, release. Next pose is Happy Baby pose. Keep your knees bent with your feet apart, little more than your hips. Lift your knees up and bring your heels in line with your knees. Grab hold of your feet on the outer part and ensure that your knees are still a little wider than your hips, but not too wide that they're falling out too much. They should be just outside your body. And as you exhale, slowly push your heels straight down with your knees sliding on the side of your body. Ensure that your butt doesn't lift while pushing your heels down, and stay here and breathe for 3, 2, 1. And release. Hug your knees, rock forward and back, and rock forward and sit. Stretch your legs out, feet together. Inhale, keeping your spine straight, hands up. Exhale, bend forward and grab your toes. You can hold your toes on top or hook your toes, or even hold your ankle if you can't reach for your toes. Don't round your back. Lift your chest up. That's when your lower belly will be compressed. Exhale. bend forward, and once you've stretched as much as you can, tuck your chin down. Breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, head up. Exhale and release. Our final posture is child's pose or balasana. Bend your knees and sit on your heel. Inhale, exhale. Stretch your arms forward and bring your forehead down to the ground. If you can't touch the forehead to the ground, just make a fist, place it one on top of each other, elbows out, and rest your forehead. Balasana. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And inhale, come up. Do try out these postures, and I hope you guys feel the relief. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next episode. Thank you.